Nonfiction's easy. I would recommend The Coming Storm, Extreme Weather and Our Terrifying Future. Um, as a history, it's just been re-released last year. And reading that book and realizing, first of all, reading that book is like reading about what's happening now and about reading about what happened 20 years ago at the same time. And the mistakes were obvious. The history is the same. Reading about a fire in Yellowstone versus a fire in California last year, a drought in Sudan versus a drought somewhere else. The points are the same. The science is solid. The mistakes, the historical mistakes are there. And you asked me what I'm proud of. I have to say, I am very proud of The Coming Storm. I think it's too bad that one came out on the week of 9/11. Uh, I think that's just what can I say? That's my recommendation there. Fiction recommendation also got re-released this year. The Last Spy, which was the book that Paramount bought for Jodie Foster, and the scripts came in late. And I don't know if you know that television show, The Americans, but it's sort of The Americans, except I wrote it 25 years before The Americans. It's Russians against Russians in Washington right after the Soviet Union collapses. No American ever finds out that they're Russians. And I don't want to say the plot, but it was a Washington Post bestseller. It sold overseas. Paramount bought it outright. I would say those two books.